Hey, this is Andy again, and we're here at the South Florida ACA Inspector tonight. I'm here with Andres Ponce, represents Rector Seal, and he's here to talk about some of his products.
Hi guys, so some of the benefits that you have from coming to an event like this, today is Inspector Night. We have a lot of contractors come out. So what they normally like to see is obviously a breadth of new products. So today we're showing a little bit of clear drain, which brings a lot of benefits to an install, just like some float switches, plenum rated float switches, some surge protection, some line set covers. These are the type of things that you normally see when you come out here. And you actually get to try them, get to touch them, get to feel them. And if you want some to take home, we obviously got samples to give out for you guys to try at home. Thank you.